there. I don't even know what's going on over there. Priority one.
Priority
Coffee.
one.
You guys ever see a kaleidoscope? Come on.
God, we're doing it! Woo!
Okay, hey, it's Mr. G. Welcome back. Well, actually, this is the first of many updates, weekly updates from Mr. G and Mr. G's workshop and all the people involved. You know, there's a lot of things happening, but first I want to tell you that if you ever wanted to learn about electric vehicles, as you know, I teach that. I'm doing a crash course. Yes, I said it. It's actually a very basic, hands-on class coming up on February 25th. You could see there on the website that you could sign up. It's in Hackensack, New Jersey. So we're like 20 minutes to New York City. Come on in. We're going to have food. So basically, it's Electric Vehicles 101. It's very little lecture, mostly hands-on. You'll be using voltmeters. You're going to be wrenching. We're just going to get through it. It's only a 4-hour class. So I just want to let you know that that's on the website, rongrossinger.com, or just type in Mr. G's workshop and you'll see how to do your electric car from gas to electric. Obviously not in depth. It's going to be hands-on, basic fundamentals. The other thing I want to mention is that during my day job, I teach high school auto shop, metal shop. We're working on a very cool project. So this is a Victron off-grid system. The students are assembling it. That's a big deal. As you can see in the video there, this board was all assembled by students. So that's a battery backup with inverters going from DC to AC, plus solar DC coming in. And what's nice about it is the students are learning how to install this. We're going to put this in a food trailer. So stay tuned for that project. It'll be on my Instagram. And that's Mr. G's workshop. And then the other thing I wanted to mention is that every Tuesday, if you just want to talk to us about electric vehicles, we are every Tuesday, along with my co-host Talik, we are talking with electric vehicle components suppliers, BMS, CAN bus, electric motors, training centers, all kinds of stuff. And this past week, we spoke with Brandon Watt from Switch Lab Vehicles. And believe it or not, his last name is W-A-T-T. Yeah, I'm not making that up. His last name is Watt, just like a kilowatt. Anyway, there he is, Brandon. Nice guy. And also, let me introduce my co-host here, Talik. How you doing?
What's going on, Mr. G?
Yeah, so, you know, Talik's here, and Talik has something called Charge Positive, and he does a lot of video recordings about electric vehicles, factory, OEM. Actually, you could tell him better than me. Go ahead. What do you cover?
Yeah. So I cover all sorts of things, charging stations to new vehicles, old vehicles, and I'm also contributing to the new channel for Out of Spec Renew, which if you see on your screen here, we have the Vic of Tim Allen being built by Revolt Systems in Oceanside, California. So it was out for a drive the other day. Got to ride with Eddie and see this 1934 Ford Victoria come to life out on the road.
That is so awesome. Guys, you got to understand, this is like the cutting edge stuff. So I can't believe it. I'm so lucky to be a high school auto teacher. Plus I have my side business where I teach welding, intro to electric vehicles. And then I also get to collaborate and talk with people like Talik, who is doing the coverage of crazy vehicles like this. And also Eddie from Revolt. We've had him on the Shop Class podcast. Incredible stuff. They're putting Tesla motors in these old vehicles so that they're super fun and they can keep up with a Tesla, probably faster than a Tesla because they might weigh less.
Oh, this thing moves. It goes. And he pushed it a couple of times out here on the road.
So just to reiterate, to go over the things that we talked about just now, I have a very basic intro class coming up on February 25th in Hackensack, New Jersey, the basics of electric vehicles. And then following that up, we also have welding classes if you ever wanted to learn how to weld. I'm basically your shop teacher for life. So, join us in one of these classes. And then keep in mind, every Tuesday we talk about electric vehicles. That's an open meeting. You can find it. I think the login is on my Instagram. I always put it up each week. And then also on Wednesdays, we have the Shop Class Podcast, which is a place where we talk with shop teachers. If you're a high school auto or metal or wood shop or construction or agriculture teacher, really join us. And we want to know what you're working on, and we want to share ideas. Yeah, so every week, I'm just going to give you a quick update. All right, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.
Did you capture that speech?
I,
Man, what are you doing?